So hi, my name is Shivamara and today we are going to start Python masterclass. Okay. So before I start, I want to know that you know Python or not. Okay. So if you know Python, like you are at beginner, at intermediate, or at advanced, so just comment down that you know Python. If not, if don't you know anything about it, or you just don't know anything about programming, okay, so just comment down it so that I should know that to whom I am teaching, so that I can change my teaching style, or some busy examples should I use, or some complex. So it all depends on you. Okay, so just comment down. Okay, and to those who know me, they are in my groups on Telegram and on WhatsApp too. So if they are, then okay. If you are not, if you are watching, so if you are not, then I have shared the link also in the description box. Okay, so you can check that and just join the group. It's totally free. So what it includes in that group, you can ask your queries. Okay, you will get updated to related to some programming. You can get some questions related to your board exams too, and some competitive programming too. Okay, you can clear your doubts too. Okay, so just I want to you give the short some sort of summary also about the Python masterclass, that what I will teach you. Okay, what I will teach you. So in that I will start from the basics. From what basics? It from zero or some sort of that, you know, it all depends on you. So just comment down so that I can know. Other than that, after basics, I will go to intermediate. But my totally motive is to give you knowledge about the way or aim is to give you the knowledge about the data science. Okay, but in data science it is a vast topic, vast subject, but I will only focus on machine learning. Okay, so I will teach you about machine learning only. So if you are interested, then it will be good, but if you are not, then also it is good. Okay, so just watch it, comment down your views, share it with your friends, that they should also know that there is something new. And if you like it, kindly like it, share it, subscribe it, and also keep supporting us. Thank you. So before start, I know people, I know my friends, I know my classmates. They are stuck in between the coding sections, that why there is an error, or it is just boring, because they don't know, or maybe they are not getting enough materials, or they are not getting that point that they can be interested in that. Okay, so I will not bore you. Okay, I will not bore you. I will give you some easy example, some funny, and my way will be, you will see what I can say. Okay, so you will see it. So just I want to start. Okay, I want to start from the basics. So firstly, so what I will include in these classes. Okay, let me give you a short description, or just a short. I will start from the basics, small basics. Okay, I will start, and it includes the basics. With 3 projects. It can be on Tkinter, which is a GUI application, GUI library. Okay, so you will make an application on that, and other than that, you will be doing project work, some sort of. It will be a group if you are okay, then. But I will give you a short. You can do under me in the WhatsApp group. Okay, so it will be on machine learning project. Okay, it will be maybe after 6 months, when I will complete all this. It will be not completed in 6 months also, but if I completed till basics or intermediate partially or half, then I will give you the topics. You can join the group, you can discuss it with me, and you can just go further for it. Okay, so 3 projects: basics, machine learning projects. And if you want anything new, which you want that no one ever done, but you want that I should do, so just comment down it so that I should know that what I can do also. Okay, so if you want these materials, these slides, you can visit the website, link in the description, ramikmara.com. Okay, and okay, so let's start. If you are learning Python, I think you know how to install it, but if you don't know, I will share the link in the description, because it is everyone know. Okay, you can just search Python, download the latest version, but if you don't know, you can just go through the link and you can download it. Okay, So Python is a programming language. It is very strong, it has a very huge library, okay, that's why people use it. And in today's world in 2021, many people, many companies, many MNCs use this Python, like Netflix, like Google's has also said that the mainframe, or you can say the main language he uses is Python only, okay. So it is very vast, and the developer, the man who made this Python language is also working in Python, in Google, okay. His name is Gideon Anderson, okay. So let's start Python.